I'm headed to a close-to-the-loop riverfront location in the South Loop, a short walk from dining, nightlife, and college campuses, for a tour of one of the apartments at a new, pet-friendly, high-amenity tower, the Reed Southbank. I'm in apartment 916, a convertible, looking east through floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades, turning into open living kitchen, blonde plank flooring extending throughout the apartment, brushed concrete ceilings up at about 9 feet, looking at an Ecobee programmable thermostat, efficient one-wall kitchen. Appliance package includes a 4-burner gas range, Bosch dishwasher, French door refrigerator with an ice maker, built-in microwave. You have duotone soft closing cabinetry, brushed concrete backsplash with under cabinet lighting. There's a black quartz counter matching the black hardware you see throughout the apartment. Stainless steel undermount sink has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, and there's a pantry cabinet. Heading toward the sleeping area, 2 walls of windows, great space to accommodate any size bedding here and additional furniture. And you have this dazzling view over the pool deck and the river walk, sweeping view of the skyline. Closet has custom organizers. Heading back past the kitchen and living area for the entry. Bath is off to my right. It's a wide vanity with drawers for storage, white quartz counter with an undermount sink, it's a Toto soft closed toilet, oversized dark tile, and you have a deep soaking tub with a potty spray attachment. And then a full-size stacked washer dryer, front loading, and coat closet with 2 levels of hanging. Looking back toward the front entry. Wide enough space to accommodate a hall console table and some great walls to hang your art. The Reed has a convenient, attractive location, an extensive amenities suite, a variety of apartments with upscale finishes, and everything is new here. Definitely want the Reed at the top of your must-see list. Head to the Reed's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.